In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Agoda booking ID. First of all, open the Agoda app on your mobile device. Once you are logged in, tap on the My Trips tab at the bottom of the screen. This section contains all of your bookings, and you can easily switch between the categories of upcoming, completed, or cancelled bookings. After navigating to the right section, scroll through the list until you find the booking you want to check. On the booking summary, you will already see the booking ID displayed clearly. However, if you want to see more details, you can tap on the booking itself. Inside the booking details page, the booking ID will be prominently displayed at the top, usually as the first piece of information on the screen. This ID is very important because you can use it when contacting Agoda customer support for assistance or when providing information to hotels, as many hotels require you to confirm your booking with this number. And this is how you can quickly and easily check your Agoda booking ID.